Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can start sending WhatsApp bulk messages absolutely for free. So right now I'm going to open up the extension that I basically use for this, and mind you, this is actually a free extension that you can make use of, and I'm going to show you how to get access to it quick. So I'm going to open this right now. Alright, let me quickly open this up right now. I'm going to click on reconnect. Let's wait for it to load up again. It's going to connect to our WhatsApp, so we can use this particular extension as a medium to send in bulk WhatsApp messages. So you can see it's connected already. I'm going to open up the extension one more time. All right, and guys, you can see immediately I open it up, you can see I'm on a free plan for this particular video. All right, and with the free plan you can send up to 500 WhatsApp bulk messages at a goal. So once you are done with that, you can continue the process again until you get the result you want. So right now, the first box right here is where we want to add in the numbers, the people that we are trying to send our bulk WhatsApp messages to. So I'm going to quickly open up my my notepad, all right, and I'm going to copy all of the numbers right here. Okay, let me copy all of the numbers right here. I'm going to copy this ones right now, and I'm going to come into this box and I'm going to input my numbers. And now mind you guys, once you are inputting your numbers into the extension, I need you to pay attention to the commas. You want to make sure a comma is what you are using to separate the numbers. Please note that a comma, not a full stop, not an asterisk, a comma should be used in separating the numbers. And now once you are done with that, all you need to do right now is, you can see this little box here. This is where you want to input the message that you're trying to send to your recipient. So you can be like, hello there. It can be anything at all. You can also add in your link if you want to. So for the purpose of this video, I can change this to something that says hello there. All right, so you can, this looks good. Now once you've been able to input your message, you can also come down to this very particular sending settings here. Now look at this. Now you can see this is going to be the sending interval for this particular one. On default is 6 to 10 seconds. So every 6 to 10 seconds it sends a new message, and the reason why it is like this is to help you make sure you don't get your WhatsApp banned for sending bulk messages at once. So you want to make sure that you leave it on 6 to 10 seconds for every message that you're trying to send. All right, I know this might be slow, but trust me, sometimes slow is much better than you trying to do things so fast. So once you are done with all of those things, importing your contact, writing your message, you can proceed with clicking on send. All right guys, so you can see what's happening. The WhatsApp sender is already sending my messages, and you can see right here it will open up a chat for me and it will send in my messages. So you can see how easy and how super it is for you to start sending bulk WhatsApp messages using this particular software. So right now you can see all of the messages are being sent out easy and super on automation. So if you want to lay your hands on this particular extension, here is how to get it. Now you want to come over to your web store. All right, Chrome web store. All right, come over to your Chrome web store. Okay, and right here, when you're here on your Chrome web store, what you want to search for is WA bulk sender. So I'm going to quickly come right here and searching for WA bulk sender. I'm going to click on search, and once you do search for that, you can see this is the first extension that you're going to be installing into your Chrome browser. So you can see I already have mine installed, so I can quickly click on remove from Chrome, but no, because I'm still using it to send out my bulk WhatsApp messages. So guys, so you can see that this is actually how it is for you to start sending bulk WhatsApp messages absolutely for free without paying no money, and it's easy installation, and you can keep on enjoying the software to use. And you can keep on using the software to send bulk messages whenever you want to. Remember, you can go 500 emails, all right, at once, but for the purpose of this video I showed you 20. So if you found this video helpful and you think this would be a worthwhile software to use, please let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe so you can see other content like this. And I'll see you in my next one. Please take care of yourself and bye.